Hello, welcome back to Altcoin Buzz Trading. Today we're talking about Bitcoin, Internet Computer Protocol, ICP, Ethereum, and Solana. Ethernet, that's funny. Let's get right to it. BTC right now rolling over a little bit. We had a nice bullish move yesterday after kind of sitting lower. We did end up popping up. No follow through though, as we're kind of rolling over right now. Hopefully this move down doesn't last very long and we can almost have a little inverted head and shoulders feel and then move our way back up. Or sideways for a couple days, then back up. That would be ideal. We're starting to fight with this trend line, which could be problematic. Also, the 21-day moving average, a close below this low here at 41,623 could be problematic as well. At least for the short-term trade, we could start chopping in a larger consolidation, but we'll see how it goes. But all in all, BTC not bad. I wish it would have got a little bit higher before it stalled. However, it really couldn't get past the prior high. Unfortunately, that is a little bit weak. Next up is ICP, which does have a good look to it here. ICP had a great move from 4.7 up to the 11, past 11 and a half. So great move right there. And now we're consolidating in a higher, tighter flag. It's not quite a high, tight flag if you're familiar with that term, but it's higher. It's pretty tight comparative to its rally. And I like the way it looks here. So 10.238 alert here. I don't really have a target for you guys. We may stall at the prior high, which is very normal at the 1193, but past that, hopefully we'll continue the volume really good here. Hopefully this you see this huge volume candle here. Look at the big price candle that goes with it. Good action, not a tremendous amount of topping action. And you can see here on my 2-hour volume aggregation tool that the buyers are pretty much in control that whole time. Ethereum, while not rocking right now, did have a very nice move up in the past 24 hours, kind of riding on top of this trend line, exploding up. Nice consolidation. Let's hope this can hang up here for a little bit and then continue on, maybe taking a little bit of that pressure off of BTC and Solana. That would be best. And then speaking of Solana, back down pretty close to the century mark, 100.86 as we're recording this. Our 99.50 level here, it's not looking like it'll hold its support, which is problematic, but something has to. Definitely could hold. The buyers just kind of stopped showing up here, and you can see it on the volume aggregation tool. The buyers stopped showing up. Sellers got a little bit more aggressive. They're not super aggressive, though. So at some point, it'll stop out, but giving you maybe a good chance to get into a big leader whenever it does decide to stop selling off. Try some kind of bottom buying. If you dig into even lower time frames, on the 15-minute, we're printing some okay candles here. We do have a small divergence here, although it's not much anymore. Even if it's a hidden divergence, you got this low here and this low here, where the price is lower, but the RSI is not. So that could be a buy signal right on top of this 100 level, but we're not seeing any crazy wicks here. Maybe they'll show up after I stop recording this in about a couple of minutes or so. That is really all I got for you guys, though. This Solana decline here, on kind of declining volume. I'm hoping it stays like that, but really BTC right now stalling out is kind of the big story, rolling over a little bit, unable to continue so far. Probably take a couple more days, or unless it breaks this low here, which I mentioned, the 41,623. That's the level of concern at the moment, at least for me. Other than that, you guys be very safe out there. It's been a really good bull run, and I think it will continue, but we will always have consolidations. We will always have points where we stall out. Don't let all your profits erode. Take amazing profits. This has been a situation where hopefully you have some good gains. You're able to double or more an account, right? So make sure you keep a lot of those gains. I'd rather you take a profit and then re-enter a position than hold on for too long and lose it all because something like Solana goes from 126 down to 100. That's not a wise thing to do. So take amazing profits if you can, and then let's wait for the next good signals. Not too many today, but every day in this market has been exciting lately. So all right, guys, stay very safe out there. I'll see you tomorrow on Altcoin Buzz Trading.